Hi everybody, here we go with another Message Center update from Microsoft 365. My name's Mark Stokes from Attollo Intranet, and I hope you're enjoying these updates. I've mentioned a couple of times they're coming in thick and fast, and we've got a good one for you to be aware of now. So what we're going to talk about now is Message Center MC242207, and this is announcing the highlighting the retirement of support for external XSLT files in the DataFormWebPart and its subclasses. So this is a big one. I'd be interested if anyone's still using XSLT files in the DataFormWebPart. This is great old SharePoint classic functionality that we've used in the past. I know we haven't used these in our classic capabilities for a long time. I used to love XSLT. I think I'm probably about the only person who ever did, but there we go. So basically, as Microsoft says, to enhance data integrity and improve the overall reliability of the service, they are retiring support for external XSLT file references for the DataFormWebParts and its subclasses. This retirement only affects SharePoint Classic pages, and this is going to be removed on the 15th of March. So after the 15th of March, any DataFormWebParts that you have in your environment will stop working. Okay, they'll no longer be available. So if you do still have them around, then you might want to make some very quick decisions on how you're going to cope with this change. It doesn't say when, but I imagine Microsoft has announced this in the past. I'm not sure when it was, but yeah, you might want to make those changes quickly. If you are currently using a DataFormWebPart that references an external XSLT code, you will need to modify the reference to an internal XSLT file located in the site's asset library instead. Okay, so this is an interesting point then. So it's only external XSLT code. So actually, if you don't want to carry on using it, just take a copy of that file, put it into the site's asset library, update your DataFormWebPart, and then that will carry on working. So actually maybe not quite as serious as I first thought. I probably should have read the rest of this before recording the video, but I didn't. So potential scenarios for using the DataFormWebPart on classic pages where DataFormWebParts have been created via SharePoint Designer or include XSLT code, and DataFormWebParts were created and customized in the browser or via PowerShell. Okay, so update there. So if you are using it, maybe change to things like JS Link. We've not used these for a long time. So if anyone does have these sitting around, then please do look at better ways of doing it. But just be aware, this capability for external links is going to be gone by 15th of March. Either move those files to your site assets folder on the site that it's going to be referenced, or find a better way of doing it. So just a quick update there for you. Just be aware. We probably won't announce it again. By the time this video hits YouTube, it may already have gone. So sorry if that's a little bit late. But I hope you have a good day, and I look forward to seeing you next time.